The first step to create a Wix portfolio website is to simply go to Wix and then simply click on Get Started. Now, once you do that, you're gonna get redirected here. So you're gonna have to create an account, which is very easy. You can use Google or Facebook if you want to sign up, or you can simply fill in all this information and click on Sign Up. Now, once you do that, you're gonna have to simply click on Create New Site in the top right corner. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply create our portfolio. Now, if you want, you can use the AI, but I'm gonna set up without using the AI. Now here we're gonna have to simply search for portfolio and then click on Continue. And then we're gonna be able to see different templates. Now, as you can see, once you create your site, you're gonna have to simply name it. So I'm gonna name it Test. And then here we can add different apps. So if you want your portfolio to have your Instagram feed, you can enable this. You can scroll down and see here different apps. Then click on Continue. And now we're gonna have to go to our dashboard. Now it's gonna load up here. So we can simply click on Design Site in the top right corner, and from here we're gonna be able to pick a template. So simply click on that, and then we're gonna be able to see different templates for our portfolios. Now here, as you can see, we can select portfolios, resumes, and personal. And I'm gonna pick this one here, so simply click on Edit on the one that you want to use for your portfolio website. And now we can start editing this website. So we can add our own images. We can start editing the text. So as you can see, we have here. Now I'm not going to use the AI to enhance my content. So we can simply click on Quick Edit. And from here, we can simply change the background. We can change the title. We can add paragraphs. And here on the left side, we can add different elements. So we can click on Add Elements. And here we have a list of different elements. So you can add text, you can add images, buttons, etc. So we're gonna have to simply click on it and we can place it wherever we want. Here we have sections. So if you want to add a section to your portfolio, you can do that. As you can see, we have templates. So we can add a welcome section. We can add promotions, contacts, etc. So all you have to do is simply drag this and you can place it wherever you want. And if you want to edit it, you're gonna have to click on it. Now, as you can see, we can simply click on this box and change the design if we want. We can change the colors, we can change everything. Now, once you make your changes and you add all the content, we're gonna have to click on Publish in the top right corner. And as you can see, we can get a free domain if we want, or we can simply customize our domain with a custom domain basically. Now, if you want to buy cheap domains, make sure to check this video description. So simply click on Save and Continue. And now we're gonna have to simply wait. And as you can see, we have our site. So we can simply click on Preview, or we can simply go to that domain. As you can see, View Site, and it's live completely for free. Now, if you want to get rid of this branding, you're gonna have to upgrade to a paid plan. So simply click on Get Started, and then you're gonna get redirected to pay. So here we can simply go back, and then basically we can click on Upgrade. As you can see, Upgrade now, and here we have different plans, and we're gonna get basically rid of that branding. So as you can see, we can use this one of 11 euros per month. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.